Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use Sora 2 for free to generate the video. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you still find the difficulties to access the Sora 2, because if you would like to generate the video via Sora 2, so you need to get the invitation code. However, the invitation code itself also hard to get. Don't worry, because here I will also show you the another alternative to create the video from the Sora 2 model, guys. So you can start to visit this media.io, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And if I'm not mistaken, initially they will also give you 15 credits to generate the video, guys. And why I get 20 here? Because every single day I always do the login, and every single day too they will also give you the free credits. If I'm not mistaken, it was 3 or 5 credits, guys. So you can simply claim it and it will be added into this section. However, if you would like to purchase their package too, don't worry, because the price is also affordable over here. You can get the 10 credits by only purchase $1, and it will also can be used for a month to create the video, guys. And this is the look of the media.io, guys. And for example, I will show you the example of the video over here. So this is the video that I have just made from the Sora 2 model by using, of course, this media.io, and you can simply put this prompt into this section. For example, the prompt would be like this: a playful chase scene between a cat and a mouse inside a cozy, slightly cluttered house. The cat, a fluffy orange tabby, is excitedly pursuing a small, quick brown mouse, and also the mouse darts under the furniture and through small gaps, while the cat punches, slides, and waves around the obstacle like the living room, sofa, kitchen table, a halfway rock, and etc. You can add the another detail into this section or into this prompt. And you can also add the additional detail like the show close-up of their expressions, and the cat focus intensity, and the mouse determined to escape. The camera should follow the action dynamically, capturing the speed and agility of both animals. And the lighting is warm and natural, suggesting a daytime setting. The video should have the light-hearted comedic tone. And to generate this one video, it will consume 10 credits, guys. So you can continue to click generate, and also if you would like to adjust the public visibility, so you can activate or inactivate it. However, if you would like to inactivate it, so you can start to purchase their pro version. And kindly wait for the generation process, maybe 5 minutes, so the video will be ready into this section. And after that, you can continue to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this media.io to create your first video in Sora 2 model. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.